Have you ever wondered why some men stay strong, confident, and in control as they get older while others struggle with weak erections, poor bladder control, and low confidence? The answer isn't always testosterone or expensive supplements. One of the biggest secrets is a strong pelvic floor. And here's the scary part: if you ignore these muscles, they naturally become weaker with age. Are you happy with your private parts' performance and confidence, or do you feel there's room for improvement? Let me know in the comments along with your age and country. Now let's start with 5 of the best pelvic floor exercises that can help strengthen your core, improve stability, support better bladder control, and contribute to healthier sexual function when practiced consistently. Exercise number 1, plank to pike. Begin in a forearm plank with your body in a straight line. Tighten your core and slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating an upside-down V shape. Return to the plank with control. This movement trains your deep core muscles, including the muscles that work together with your pelvic floor. Better coordination between these muscles improves overall body stability and reduces unnecessary pressure on the lower back. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise number 2, pelvic tilt into bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Gently tilt your pelvis, then lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top before lowering slowly. This is one of the most effective exercises for activating the pelvic floor alongside the glutes and lower core. Strong glutes provide better support for the pelvis, making everyday movements more efficient. Complete 12 to 15 repetitions. Exercise number 3, glutes bridge hip abduction. Hold the bridge position with your hips elevated. Slowly move your knees apart and then back together while maintaining your bridge. This variation increases activation of the hip muscles that stabilize your pelvis. Strong hip muscles work together with the pelvic floor to improve balance, posture, and movement quality. Repeat for 10 to 15 controlled repetitions. Exercise number 4, rocking frog stretch. Start on your hands and knees with your knees wide apart and your feet turned outward. Keep your back neutral and gently rock your hips forward and backward. This stretch improves flexibility in the hips, groin, and inner thighs. Better mobility allows the pelvic floor muscles to contract and relax more effectively instead of remaining tight all the time. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds. Exercise number 5, hip rolling plank. Begin in a forearm plank. Slowly rotate your hips from one side to the other without allowing your shoulders to move excessively. This exercise challenges your obliques, deep abdominal muscles, and pelvic stabilizers. Building endurance in these muscles helps improve posture, balance, and overall core strength. Perform 10 to 12 rotations on each side. Remember, results don't come from doing these exercises once. They come from practicing them consistently several times each week with proper form. Over time, you'll build a stronger core, better pelvic stability, improved mobility, and healthier pelvic floor function that supports your daily life. If you found these exercises helpful, stay until the end and make this routine part of your weekly fitness habits. Your future self will thank you.